Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be creating this look of Kareena Kapoor. To get started, I prime my eyelids using e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, and then taking this brown color from Sephora miniature palette, I used it on my crease area and outer V. Next, I took an eyeshadow pencil from Rimmel in shade 003 Bad Girl Bronze and applied it on the lid area, and then I used a flat eyeshadow brush to blend the lid eyeshadow with the crease color. Next, I'm going to be using this dark pink color from Makeup Revolution Creative 1 palette on the inner half of my lid, and I used the same brush to blend it with the base color, and then I went back in to blend the crease color and the outer V. Moving on to the face, first I prime my face with Millen Face Primer. This is a light reflecting primer and helps to achieve the dewy look. Next, I am going to contour my face before rest of my makeup. Contouring before the foundation helps to chisel out the face but still making it look natural. And I'm going to contour on the usual areas. The trick here is to use a sheer to medium coverage foundation on top of the contour to make it look natural and still keep the contour. And for the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 230. First, I'm going to dot the foundation all over my face, and then I'm going to use a stippling brush to blend the foundation. And this stippling brush is from Real Techniques. Just remember to gently stipple the foundation around the areas that are contoured already. Next, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige to brighten up my face. I'm using it under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my lower cheeks, and also my chin. I'm first going to blend it with my finger, and then I'm going to use a beauty sponge. And blending this product twice just helps to achieve more flawless look. Next, I'm using this bronzer from NYC, and I'm going to put it on the perimeter of my face. For blush, I'm using this pink tone from Makeup Revolution Blush Contour and Highlighter palette, and from the same palette I'm using this golden shade for highlighting the center of my face. And for my eyebrows, I'm using e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to very naturally fill in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to use this lip liner from Rimmel London, and it's in shade Coffee Bean. I'm using this lip liner as my eyeliner, and I'm putting it on my lower lash line and my top lash line, and then I will use a brush to smudge it out. Next, I'm using an eyeliner from Urban Decay in shade Perversion, and I'm going to put it on both my top lash line and bottom lash line and smoke it out with the same brush. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and the mascara is Maybelline Lash Stiletto. For lips, I'm using Marc Jacobs lipstick in shade 216 Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. And then to add some shine, I'm using Wet n Wild lip gloss in shade 555B Rose Gold. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.